Good morning, everybody. This is Aida Cermeño from El Salvador, and welcome to my Moodle course. Okay, so for this activity, I will label three sections under the names of overview, activities, and resources. So let us get started with overview, and I will come here to this space where it says general. I will click on the three dots. I select edit settings and I click on general and I will change that heading by course overview. So right here I have already prepared a brief description of the course overview and I will comment, oh sorry, and I will copy here. So when I have that information, I will save changes. All right, so you have in this section the course overview and the students can see this information. Now I will proceed to add the activity, the first activity, and the same thing, I click on that three dots, then edit settings, and it should direct me to this other screen. So in here is by default, they have set up topic one, but I will type activities. Okay, and then later you can just elaborate something um, in this section. So welcome to the activities section. Just to say something, and then you can add color here. It will display these three that I have already been using, but there's the color palette, and then you can just select other colors. Here I will apply this one, and it doesn't look so good. Well, what I can do is to highlight it. I think there's a color palette. Maybe if I highlight it with this other color, see how it looks. Okay, looks nice. Then we click on Save Changes. Right, so you have here activities one, and then this brief message for the students, right? Now I'm gonna add the tab for resources. I click on topic two, again the three dots, edit settings, and yeah, it directs me to this other window, and in here I will type resources. In here I may write something in this section, but I will not. Then I will just click on Save Changes. So look, this is how it turned out to be. Now going back to activities, and in activities I will add some activities as the name suggests. So we will click on the this plus add an activity or resource. I will click here and I'm gonna click on activities. I will in activities I will add, let me see, I think I will add a forum. Okay, so I would like my students to introduce themselves and I will do it through a forum, and I will title it getting to know the class, just to say something, right? In here I write a little message. Hello everybody. um, uh, since it is the beginning of the course, I find it important that we share some information about who we are, what we do in our free time, etc. Right? I mean, you can continue writing more here, and since I love seeing colorful text, I will add. This one looks nice. And this is the availability. So imagine that the course starts today, May 16th. So I will ask my students to introduce themselves, and they will have maybe until May 23rd to complete the activity. This is the time when it's going to be allowed. So from 5 a.m. to to the 23rd to 12 or 11. This is gonna be 11:59, right? And then I save and return to the course. And here you have the forum, and it was labeled getting to know each other. So now the students will come and start sharing their personal information, right? All right. So now in activities, I will add a quiz too. So we have this forum. Now it's the time to add a quiz. I think I saw it somewhere here. Okay, it's just right here. So this is just the setup because to work with quizzes, there's some other procedures to follow, but you know, this is just the main, let's say, where this is the tool where the real quiz will be stored. So let us say that introduction to translation, okay, first quiz, and then I write a message. Hello, everybody, use this space to um, access to the first online quiz. Right. And then if you want, you can add color. This is the timing. Imagine that the quiz will start on May 17th at maybe 6. No, sorry. What is this? Okay, I need to move this screen here, that the camera, right? Okay, so it's gonna open at 6 a.m. and it's gonna close the same day at midnight. So you set it up here, you change everything. I'm gonna move myself away because I need this space here. The time limit, you can say 30 minutes. The grade layout, I think in here, no, we don't do anything here in the unlimited. These are the attempts, maybe just one attempt. And then this is the layout, like how the questions are or how the questions will display when the students are taking the um, the quiz, so maybe they can see it every 2 questions. Restrict option in here, you can just mark like when they can see their grades, right? I won't do anything here, and then I will just click on save and return to the course. So I did something. Oh yeah, okay, so I should have clicked on the 17th. It should be the 17th. Yeah, that's why it's giving me an error right here, but I just corrected it, and let's see if now it works. I'm waiting. Yeah, so now we have under the activities first the getting to know forum, and now a quiz, which is going to be about introduction to translation. Now in the resources, I will add here a video. I want to add a video. Let's see. Okay, where should I go? Okay, so I will add it in text and media area. And let me see. I think yes. So the title of my video would be an introduction to translation. Let me see if I can insert, because I would like to embed the video, and let's see if I can do it here. Maybe insert. I don't remember. Okay, so I will see. I remember we could do it right here, like the embedding thing. Let me see. I have to find out. Yeah, well, it didn't really work. Oh yes, so I found where to insert the code. So you click on tools, you go to source code. I think I already have the code. So I'm gonna, oh, no, really? Okay, I'm gonna try. Oh yeah, it's there. Look, it's here. So I embedded the video, and now I go to save and return to course. And look, it is just here. So the students will come to this resource section. They click on the video, which is just here, and then they start doing whatever assignment that they are expected to perform, right? Um, I also wanted to add another resource, and I will add a file. Found a very interesting. So it says perspectives perspectives to understand uh, translation complexity, right? So there's a space here. I will click on that section. I will upload a file. I will look for my document. I think it gotta be there. Okay, it's this one. I upload the file and it is right there. I save and return to course, and let me see if it was possible to, let's see if there's something. Oh, what it says required. Maybe I have to add some information here. Please read the information in the document below, let's say. Okay, let's see if everything is okay. It is required. Oh, it's there. Look, it's just here. Well, this is how to add resources, activities. So I added the course overview, which let's take a look at it, briefly welcoming students, the activities. So there are two activities the students are going to be doing, the resources. There are two resources that I uploaded, and these ones, topic 3 and 4, I think I can delete them. Let me see. It looks like yeah, it's possible to delete them. And I will do the same with this other topic. Topic tab, I will delete it. I think it worked. Yeah, guys. So look, this is my tutorial. Thanks for watching me.